Okay, good afternoon, all the students, and welcome to the virtual class. Today, we will see a new lesson in English, that is the Phantom Tool Booth, a book review. Okay, the Phantom Tool Booth. Now, what is the phantom? What is the meaning of the phantom? Phantom means a kind of ghost, the spirit of a dead person. That is a phantom. Now, what is a tool booth? Tool booth, that is a small place. Okay, that is a small place or the building by the side of the road where you make a payment to drive on the road or the bridge, highway, etc. That means if you want to be drive on the bridge, road, highway, so you have to be pay a money. Okay, and where you pay, that place, it is called a tool booth. All right. So our lesson name is the Phantom Tool Booth. But why the lesson name is the Phantom Tool Booth? You will come to know when we see the whole story which is given in this lesson. Okay, so let me begin our story now. Introduction of child, the main character of the story. And the main character of the story, the name is Milo. Milo was a young boy who lived in San Francisco, is in the States. He lacked for nothing. He lacked for nothing. He had everything, whatever he want, whatever his desire, he get each and everything because he had only a child at home. He was surrounded by all sorts of expensive toys. He had lots of expensive toys. And in school too, there was nothing. There was nothing. Nobody gives his complaint because he's very good in study also. But Milo was bored. He felt bored. Nothing really interested him. There is nothing to do. There is nothing work which gives him pleasant or make him interest. He thought of everything is a waste of time. And he think that school is the greatest waste of time of all. Poor Milo. Because he's do all his work in a perfect manner. He's completed each and everything. He's a good child. But while follow the daily routine work, he feel bored now. He want to do something interesting. He want to do something adventurous, something creative. But he didn't find anything. So that's the reason he feel bored. There's nothing for him to do. And hardly anything worth is seen. Everything is worthless. Now, students, this is a story belongs when there is no TV, no video games, no computer, nothing else. Were not invented at that time. Okay. So Milo belonged to an age when the TV, video games, and the computers were not invented. He belongs at that time. Okay. Because nowadays you have all those things. You have the mobiles also, tab, different uh, you have different games, video games, computers. Okay. So you utilize your time. But the poor Milo, he doesn't have all these things, so he cannot utilize his time. He felt bored. But one day, on one long afternoon, like any other, Milo suddenly received a huge parcel. And in that parcel have a bright blue envelope is attached one side on the parcel. The envelope addressed to Milo. And on that envelope, there is written something for Milo, who has plenty of time. As you can see in this picture, blue color envelope is there, and it is And there it is written for Milo, who has plenty of time. Plenty of time, that means he had more time. Wouldn't you people also surprised if something like this happened to you? The same thing has happened with the Milo. Milo is also surprised. Milo is asked question to himself. I don't think so. It's my birthday and the Christmas. This is not a Christmas season also. And I haven't been outstandingly good. That means I'm not a good boy that someone gives me a present and surprise gift. Milo was a very honest boy. He was a very honest boy. He know his reality. So he asked to himself that I'm not a good boy that someone give me a surprise present, or there is no a birthday, there is no the Christmas vacation, then who else give me this parcel? Then too he couldn't return the parcel because there was sender address, it's not mentioned over there. So just in order to be polite, Milo decided to open the envelope. One genuine turnpike tool booth. When you start open the envelope, he read this sentence. One genuine. Genuine means a real turnpike tool booth. Turnpike, that means a wide road which you have to pay a tool to use. Okay. If you use the same thing, that is a wide road, that is a wide big road. If you want to be use that road, if you want to be drive on that road, you have to pay something. Okay, that is only the tool booth. Okay, so it was written inside. When he opened the parcel, that this things is written inside. And he had the another message also: easily assembled at home and for use by those who have never traveled in lands beyond. This message is written inside the parcel. Okay, so at the the parcel Milo kept at his room. When he opened, he get lots of message from that parcel. So it is written over there, those are not travel a long time, they have to be used this tool booth. Okay. Now Milo was very curiosity. He has very curiosity to understand more about it, the parcel. Lands beyond means what? In this small parcel, what is inside? I want to be see it. So very curiously, he started to open them. He tried to observe that parcel very curiously. And when he opened it, then he found a list of the content of the parcel. Because with the help of that parcel, the Milo can make a tool booth. He have to make a tool booth. See, student, this parcel is when the parcel is came, when he opened the parcel, he found that is the something is present which like a toys, and with the help of the direction they have to be make it, they have to be joined. That is some kind of puzzle game. And when we have to be joined each and everything in a proper sequence, then we can make a meaningful product, then we can make a meaningful picture, then we can make a meaningful content. Okay, so this is a puzzle game where they have to be follow some rules, some steps, and then he have to make a tool booth. So what is the first rule? It is mentioned over there: genuine turnpike tool booth to be erect according to directions. Okay, so first you have to make one a proper road. Okay, we have to make a proper road for the tool booth. Okay, erected, that means corrected, we have to do according to the directions. Precautionary sign to be used in a precautionary fashions, that means precautions fine. precautions to do something in advance to avoid danger, because when you walking on the road you can see a traffic signals are there is a different three colors who shows when you have to walk, when you have to stop. Okay, it shows the signal, so that is the precaution sign that only the people, that only the people are discuss about it. The list is mentioned about the precautionary sign. Okay, because we are talking about the tool booth, we are talking about the driving. Tool booth means what? Tool booths where the people's collecting the money. They are collecting the money if you want to be dry on the highway, bridge, or the road. Okay, so and here what the Milo is doing, Milo is preparing the tool booth. Milo is preparing the tool booth. So that's the reason he preparing a small tool booth where he have to be see the directions, he see the rules, he take up precautions. Okay, and then after sorted the coins for use in paying tolls. Okay, because you have to keep the coins. Second, map up to date and carefully drawn by master cartographers depicting natural and man-made features. Now they have the map also. See students, if you want to be go for the long travel, you should need a map with you. Okay, and in this lesson, it is written over there. The map is up to date and it is carefully drawn by the master cartographer. Okay, so and it is in the map the natural and man-made features are maintained over them. Okay, now the second rules, book of rules and traffic regulations which may not be bent or broken. Okay, so there is one book where the traffic rules and regulation you have to be follow, because when you travel students, when you drives on the bridge or the highway, you have to be wherever you drives, wherever you drives, wherever you go, you have to follow such kinds of rules and regulations. Okay, so in small letters at the bottom it included, results are not guaranteed, but if not perfectly satisfied, your wasted time will be refunded. So when you play this game, when you do all these things, there will be a no guaranteed result. What you will gain, there is will not be guaranteed result, but your time refunded, because Milo is already waste the time, he's feel bored, so he want to do something creative. So when he get this parcel, he start making the tool booth. It's like a playway, he doing all the things like a playway, so he gets something interesting, and he follow the direction and rules, and he start play this game. Because Milo had nothing else to do, he followed the directions and created the tool booth. Okay, it was a proper booth with the windows. As I show you, like a this, it was a proper, it was a proper tool booth with the windows and a roof and a box coin. Okay, because they have to be, because the drivers have to be paid the money. All right. So there is a coin box is also mentioned over there. But what's the use? Milo is asked to himself, what the use now like this? There was no highway attached to the booth. Definitely because the tool booth he made at the room. People, students, are you getting my point? He get the parcel at house. He make all the things at the room. So then after, while making the tool booth, after the Milo was thinking, now what is the use of this booth? Because there is a no highway. How I'll get the money? How I can drive? How, what is the use of this booth? Because I'm just in a room. Milo do all the things he do. Milo set up the precaution sign. Okay, he choose the map. Okay, and then after he choose the destination also, and randomly he's doing all this thing, and whatever name is mentioned in the map he never heard before. So randomly because he had never heard before, he shown on the map, he chosen those place which is whatever shown on the map. Milo was not sure that this new game would turn out to be interesting. He was not sure. He's just playing whatever direction, whatever rules is mentioned in the envelope. It's mentioned in the envelope. He's just follow all these things. He don't know whether it will gives him pleasure or not. He don't know. He's not sure. And however, he sat in his toy car, approached the booth, paid the toll with the coin. Now he had Now he had a small toy, okay, a toy car, and then he approached the booth, okay, and he paid the toll with the coin and drive. He started drive the toll booth. It's just a playing way, okay, it's just a playing way. He's a small child. He's do all this thing just in a playing way. But when he looked back, wonders of wonders, wonders of wonders. The tool booth had disappeared. The tool booth had disappeared with Milo's room and even his house. He found himself speeding down a highway into an unknown place. He found himself in a highway. There is no room, there is no house. Suddenly he find himself in unknown place, that is a highway. Now, what what happened next in the story? What happened next in the story? Melo met the Lathergarians, a person. He met one person, Lathergarians, when he saw that person in a doldrums. Doldrum, that means a place where everyone is depressed or sad. Okay, he found himself such kind of place where the everyone is depressed and sad. Okay, and there he found one person, that is a Lathergarius. Lethargianias, that person who spent all their times in daydreaming. Okay, daydreaming, talking unnecessarily, and taking naps. They waddling. Okay, that means to take a long time to do something. Okay, they do their work very slowly, very slowly, very loose. They delay all the work. They delay all the work. Their time they linger. Okay, they loiter to hang around for no reason. All are roaming here and there. Okay, they do their work very slowly. They dilly dally to waste their time through aimless indecisions. That means he found peoples around him who are just roaming here and there. Some are taking naps, some are sleeping over there. They're doing their work very loose body, very slowly. Okay, they are just roaming here and there. Now here, all all are feel bored to think a lot, but something that makes you annoyed. Okay, now while seeing all these things, the Milo feel annoyed. Okay, now how the peoples are there around him, lagging, plodding, procrastinating. Procrastinating means what? Delaying unnecessarily something that you should do. Okay, so they are delay their work. Though Milo didn't know it then, it had happened that he had begun his journey in the land. Okay, now he's began his journey in the land. All right, because when he came at that unknown place, that is a highway, he observed such kinds of people, the peoples who are useless, who does nothing. Okay, so there his journey is started. He was in the kingdom of wisdom. What is the place? That is a kingdom of wisdom. He had many adventures there. Okay, he found many adventures is there. He had to rescue the princess and princess and risen from castle of air. He want to rescue the princess from castle of air. Castle of air. For what reason? Reason it's not mentioned over there. For what reason? It's not mentioned over there. He found a different adventures over there. Okay. Was Milo find his life interesting later on? Was Milo find his life interesting later on? You, for that, you must read the novel to find it out. If you want the answer of this question, you want to be read the novel. Okay, which is this novel? This is a novel, The Phantom Tool Booth. Okay, the story of Norman Justers. This is the story of Norman Justers, and the novel book is Phantom Tool Booth. Okay, was written more than 50 years ago, but it continues to be a classic of children's literature. It shows to the children because with this story, it gives a different ideas, views, uh, experience a different adventures. It is present in the story. It is a fantasy, but it has an important message for the children all over the world. It gives the important message to the children. It has helped them their school and studies in a new way. Okay, students, when you are bored with your school or your daily work. Okay, so you have to do something else creative, which gives you the knowledge. Okay, try to do something else. Okay, school, it's not a bore place. Schools gives you lots of things, right? School gives you lots of things, knowledge, understanding, educations. You make friends there, you chill out there, you maintain your physical abilities. Okay, you develop your personality, you learn a different things, right? Okay, in this pandemic situation, you all are at your home. Okay, are you missed to your school? I Yes, absolutely. You are going to miss your school because when you come to the school, you learn so many things, right? You learn so many things. So, school is the place where you can find interesting things are present over there because they gives you the knowledge. You are not supposed to feel bored. When you feel bored, if you don't like the studies, if you're not interested towards the studies, then only you feel the bored. But as a student, if you're coming to the school, so if you have the desire to learn a new things, so each and everything gives you the pleasure and you find something interesting towards that different types of topics which is going on in the school. Okay, so so did the Milo successful in his mission? What's the mission? That he want to be rescue the princess from the castle of air. Okay, did he successful in this mission? Who were the strange peoples and creatures are present in the surrounding of the Milo? Or else whose more creatures are there that the Milo will meet them? What happened to the toll booth? Did Milo see it again? Did what will happen next? If you have the curiosity to know and you want to be find the answer of this question, for that you need to read the novel, that is The Phantom Toll Booth. Okay,